So this is the quality of the headphone. It's night, and if you see, it's decent for the cost, and I think I like it. Yeah, so this is the package, and let's tear it. So the first thing is this box, and let's see. Yeah. So the worst part of this box is that there are no sections that are made in this box. So we will have to make them using, like, we can cut this this thing, and yeah, let's figure it out later. There's one more of this here. In most of the videos that I saw, they told that the box is very nice, but I think it's okay. It's not that great, and yeah. But what can you expect in 8,000 rupees? The main thing is so. Yeah, in this video I'm gonna specially open every single accessory that we get, because in other videos I was not able to see what are the specific things that we are getting. This is a microphone that you can directly connect to the camera, and so this is a normal case. As you can see, this is a normal case, and if you see, this is how it looks, and you can attach it on your mounts or even on helmet. And this is a J mount, we call it a J mount, and this can fit inside here. If you see, this will fit like this, and yeah, and this will go, if you see from here, this part will go in your helmet. Okay. Look at this mount. This acts as an extender. If you see, like, you can attach your like this mount here, and then you can attach this to some other like holder or your helmet. And then we have this charger. It's a normal charger, it's not a special charger, it's not like anything like fast charger. It's a 1 ampere charger, 1000 milliampere. Then there is another same type of like pin that you saw here. Then this is the main thing. This is something that you are gonna attach on your helmet. You can directly just yeah, this is a basically double-sided tape, and this will be placed on your helmet, and this will be attached on the helmet, and then you can connect this J mount. Some more mounts, if you want to basically convert your mounts, for that you have these. This is the best thing. This is the battery. This is the micro USB charging cable. This is an extra front face of the, like, of the, you can say the camera, the waterproof, which makes it waterproof. Basically, it has this rubber cover, and you can see this is another type of extender. You can see this is long. This is actually very long. Then there are some extras that you can basically use. This is a double-sided tapes, and these are some pins that you can insert in the camera for holding. We're gonna get 4 straps. These are 2 straps, and these are other 2 straps. These are some straps. You can see one side has this, other side has nothing. Same to this. One side has this thing. And these are some extra mounts. This is a bicycle holder, but we will also try this for our bike as well. And yeah, that's it. This is a user manual, and this is something, some important instructions. this is basically how you will be claiming your warranty. And yeah, other than that, this is a remote. This is a like Bluetooth remote that you can use. Yeah, it is on. And finally, this is the camera. It looks gorgeous. It looks really gorgeous. And I can see that the type of the lock here is actually different than what I saw on the internet. If you see, the lock is actually different. So if we try to remove this, so this is Procus Rush, and this is with EIS, electronic image stabilization. That's why there is this block. If you see Procus Rush 2.0, this does not have the square block, it is only the circle. So that's the difference. And yeah, I hope you guys can hear my voice. And if you see, this is the quality of the video. This is the video quality, and you can, I guess you can see all the, like, there are my keys, there's this charger, there's this cleaning cloth, and the wire for basically USB wire, the batteries, and the quality is actually decent for the cost. And if you want to just do some motovlogging, then this is a cool camera, and it costs really less. If you see, it also has EIS, electronic image stabilization. And if you know, image stabilization is something that is available in higher budget phones, like about 25k, and previously it was not there, so the videos were of low quality even for mobile phones. Nowadays mobile phones do have them, but if you see phones for around 15k, 20k, then you won't find image stabilization. So luckily, like, my room is really scattered, so you guys can really, it will help you to notice if this camera can pick the small details. Yeah, so that is the quality of this Procus Rush 3.0, and this is how it will look in the night time. And if you see, it cannot really capture very detailed video, but it works. Wherever you see light, you will see something. So as you can see, I have mounted this Procus Rush camera on my basically tripod stand, but yeah, and it's mounted perfectly. I don't need anything else to mount it. However, for mounting on the helmet, I was actually expecting that I will get uh, some kind of helmet mount, and whatever they have given us here, it is not actually practical, because it totally depends on the shape of helmet that you have, and I cannot basically mount on my helmet mount. So I will have to do the regular jugaad about M-seal and all, and that's not an issue. And this remote actually works perfectly fine. This is for photos, this is for video, and you can basically, like, while you are riding on a bike, you can basically wear this, and you can just click on any of these buttons, and it will just start recording. So it's really beautiful, and it's really manageable. And regarding this cycle mount, actually this cycle mount can also be used with bikes, and I'm pretty sure about it. All you need to do is, you, like, basically, if it will be placed like this, and then you will use you will use this holder above it. So while attaching, you will attach like this, and in this shape, and then on the GoPro will be attached on, sorry, not GoPro, but the Procus will be attached on top, and it will be in front of the bike, or even backwards. So it's fantastic. Other than that, yeah, there's nothing else. I don't know how to still use this. Okay, it's, yeah, anyways, it's blurry, and I don't know why they have given these straps. These are not reusable. And yeah, the mic, I actually didn't like the mic quality. There's too much of distortion, and It's not like I'm not satisfied. It's just it's a like 7,000 rupees camera. What you can expect. One thing that's fabulous is the battery capacity, and it really runs very well, and it really runs for long. For me, I will be not recording in 4K. I'll be recording in 1080p 60 fps because fps is something that's important for me. And yeah, but this can do 4K at 60 fps, so it's awesome. And I really love the design. I think I'll be putting some sticker here. And I like this camera. If you see, this camera is not like you will always stay on this camera. You will definitely upgrade someday. For me also, like I don't know if I'll be vlogging my vlogging entirely. So that's why I purchased this camera. I'll test it out. I'll see if I'm comfortable with vlogging, and then I will upload more and more vlogs. Yes, as I said, the bag is a default, like it's a normal bag. You can see the texture. The texture is not, like the material is okay, and even the bag from inside is also okay. It's not great, and you will just have to keep it like this. You'll just keep your GoPro like not GoPro, but this camera like this. You'll fold it some way, and you will close this bag, and then you'll open and you will reuse it. That's the purpose. uh, One more reason that I didn't like this bag is because you see this is a camera lens, and if I just keep it like this, anything can basically damage the camera lens. So I'll always have to put it inside this, which will become a hassle. So yeah, those are the reasons. If you guys want to uh, purchase this camera, I would rate it around 3.5 out of 5. So for motovlogging, and for if you think you cannot buy a like GoPro, then you can basically buy this Procus camera. And I've seen SJ cams also have very great quality. You can go for SJ cam as well. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video.